Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a smooth circle. As you can see here, I have a yellow one and I have a blue one here. So I have not yet completed my project, so I'll show you how I'm going to make this. So let's get started. I'm going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'm going to come right over here and I'm going to make slip knot like that to put a little bit of my yarn, and we're going to work here in the center. So I'm going to pull through my yarn, make a single stitch that way, and I'm going to continue with the single stitches all over round till the end. I'm going to hold this yarn like this and that way. Okay, so we're going to come here in the top of this stitch here. You can see here, and going to make a slip knot that. So this is the basic of the circle that I have formed, as you can see. Then here in the same space over here, going to go through, make one single stitch again in the same space. So we have two of them, and going to go in the next one. I'm going to make two single stitches that way. Continue the same in the same sequence. One and two. 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 Again, one and two. Okay, so here we're going to slip stitch. So one and two. So you can see, so you're going to come right here to make a slip knot this way. As you can see, this is how it's going to form in the beginning. So now we're going to make single stitches all round. We're going to go in this one, that way, go to the next one, see, this is how it's supposed to look like. So I'm going to come here, the last point here, make slip knot. This is how it's supposed to look like. So from here we're going to continue our single stitches. Next stitch that way, Then see, we have 1 2 3 4 here, and 1 2 3. So we're going to continue again. You can see we have 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So I'm going to come here and right over here and make our slip knot that way. And you can see this is how the circle is going to look like. You can make as big as you want. I am making for a table tablecloth, a bigger one. As you can see, I have not yet finished it. So this is how it's going to look like. The more it gets bigger, the more it looks beautiful. So you can see this is the front side and this is the back side. So I have the same one here. This is the front side and this is the back side. So I hope you like my video. See you then. Till next time in my next video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.